guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So I'm sorry if it's a little loud. There's a lot going on outside today. I can't even film in the bedroom because there's even more going on that direction. But today we're going to be trying on all of my sweaters. That's why I have all of my sweaters behind me, and I have one of them on right now. I'm kind of doing this series where I try on all of one article of clothing so I can sort through what I don't want anymore, and since it's already sweater weather where I live, we're gonna hop into the sweaters because I have quite a few that I could probably get rid of and then I can get new ones. So without further ado, if you're interested to see all of my sweaters and which ones I keep, which ones I get rid of, then just keep watching this video. So this is number one. This is actually from Target, but I got it at Bargain Bins. I'm keeping it. It's just a very soft, like knit, rib knit sweater. It's black. It's my only like absolutely basic black sweater, so I'm definitely gonna keep this. Oh yeah, and I have these sorted into piles. These two piles are my solid colors. These are seasonal, and this is miscellaneous. So I'm just going to start from over here and work my way over and try and not get any makeup on any of them. Wow, I forgot about that. So this one is from Walmart. I actually almost wore this the other day, but then I realized that it like shrunk. And so comfortably on me, it sits like right at my wrist, which I hate. I hate when shirts sit just like right at my wrist. I know that's them like fitting correctly, but I like them to fit not at my wrist. I like them to fit usually about right here, like to my palm. Because, you know, if I stretch or anything, then like wrists are showing, and I don't like that. I don't know. I actually thought I was going to get rid of this one, and I still might. And we got a little dangler here. I don't know. It's from Walmart. It's very strange. I don't know. Like, I liked it because I wanted just like a fun, like creamish white colored sweater, but like this is honestly a lot. It reminds me of a horse. I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. And then guess what? I have the same one in black, but look. Fits at the palms. They're the same size. That one has shrunk, and I'm gonna get rid of that one. I'm probably gonna keep this one. I know it's the same thing, and it's giving horse, I know, but it's in black. I feel like it doesn't stick out as badly because it's black, so I think I am going to keep this one because it does still fit me correctly, and I can like pull the sleeves down, and it doesn't feel like it's quite tugging because, like, you know, comfortably it sits right at my palm, so I'm going to keep this one. Okay, this one is also from Walmart. It's cute. I like this one. It fits nicely. It's warm. It does have a lot of little gray fuzzies on it that need to come off because I accidentally washed it with my gray robe. But overall, I would say this one is perfectly fine. It's like just the right amount of oversized, and it's pink. So I'm going to keep this one for sure. It was probably one of my favorite sweaters to wear last year, and I'm probably going to wear it a lot more this year. Okay, I am not putting this one on because this turtleneck is so tight, it's going to be nearly impossible to get on without like completely destroying my makeup. So I'm not going to try this one on. It's from H&M. I'm getting rid of it because it's itchy. It's a very like not comfortable fabric. It's very odd, and the turtleneck is so much like, and it doesn't really fold down very well, so it stays up like this, and it's uncomfortable. I've only worn it like twice, and I'm no. Okay, so this one is also from H&M. It's like a light baby blue Chanel. It's so soft and comfortable. It is very cropped, which I don't love that I have like a ton of crop sweaters. I'd like to have some more that aren't cropped. But I am going to keep this. It's very soft. It fits me just right. The turtleneck is a lot tighter than I thought it was going to be, but because of the fabric, I feel like it wasn't going to mess up my makeup, unlike that one. So I'm definitely going to keep this, and I really should look and see if they have this in more colors. They had more colors last year when I bought it, and I wish I would have gotten like every single color because I really love this one. Wow, that really went like a weird pink. I think we're just staying a really weird pink color right now. Anyway, okay. As you can see, I got it in green as well. It's just like a pastel like lime green. Yeah, I like this. I like it a lot. It fits just like the other one. It hasn't like shrank or anything. The turtleneck is kind of, it's not tight on, but it's tight to get on your head. And yeah, I'm going to keep this one as well because I really like it. And hopefully they still have this available in more colors. Probably not. Okay, so this one is from Forever 21. And this is the sleeve. Okay. So already I can't even wear this the way it's supposed to be worn because it's like, this looks weird. This doesn't look weird, but that's because I have it rolled up. It's itchy. It's uncomfortable. Can you guys, oh gosh, there's like, who even knows it attracts everything. It's maybe one of the worst quality sweaters ever. It literally attracts everything. Like, it's covered in every single thing that was probably in the wash with it, and it's uncomfortable at that. I'm getting rid of this. I wore it like once last year, and I had to wear a long sleeve turtleneck underneath it just to be comfortable. Okay, we have another one from Forever 21. The sleeves are rolled on this, but they're supposed to be rolled. They aren't attached though. They can unroll, but they were rolled in the picture. They're supposed to be rolled. It is cropped and very like flowy. I will say I did try to put it in my crop band the other day, but it's actually too cropped to go in my crop band. It didn't really work unless I cropped just the front or like just the back. It is a little too cropped. I will say that. But it is very comfortable. It's you can see it's a turtleneck, but it's just not the same fabric. It's not covered in other stuff, it's just a really nice knit. I'm probably getting so much like fuzz and stuff in my eye. It's gonna kill me. I'm definitely gonna keep this one. It's just like a beige. It's like such a staple for my collection. So I'm definitely gonna keep this one. All right, on to the seasonal ones. I love this. I got this from Goodwill. I'll have to look at what brand it is here in a second. I love this sweater. You guys just saw me wear it in a video a couple of weeks ago. Oh my gosh, why am I so... Sorry about that. You guys saw me wear this in a video a couple of weeks ago. It fits me very comfortably. It is very cropped, but it's like a little bit of like a tighter crop, if that makes any sense. Like, it's not super like flowy. It kind of cinches in a little bit so that like if you wear it with like any kind of pants, it just kind of like sits right like on the hips, which I enjoy. And it is a v-neck, but it's not a low cut v-neck. You could easily wear like a dicky collar underneath this or like a turtleneck if you wanted extra layering, and it wouldn't be uncomfortable, I wouldn't think. I have wore this for many like fall events, going out to dinner or like even Thanksgiving. I have worn this too. It's such a cute fall sweater. I love this sweater. This is from Full Tilt. I don't know what that is, but it's an extra small. And it's 100% acrylic, but I'm pretty sure I put this in the... Maybe I haven't put this in the dryer. Don't put this in the dryer. Okay, so this one is from Shein, and this is like a Valentine's Day sweater. It has shrunk a little bit, which is very upsetting, but I haven't put it back in the dryer since then, and I've worn it a few times. I love this. I think it's really, really cute. It's a little, like, childish. I think it's a really cute sweater, and I'm probably going to wear it for Valentine's Day again, or like, for Valentine's Day eye looks or something, Valentine's Day video. I'm definitely going to keep this one. It's very comfortable. It's very warm. It is like a thicker sweater. I don't know. It's comfy. And again, it's not cropped or anything. It just kind of sits right at the hips. And it has a design on the back too. I like this one. It has little bunnies on it, and I think it's cute. So I'm going to keep this one. So I got this one from Shein too. They came in the same haul, and if you guys can tell, it shrunk. I put it in the dryer. I shouldn't have put it in the dryer, but in my defense, I did follow the directions that were on Shein, but Shein just kind of bullcraps things because, don't shop at Shein. They just kind of bullcrap stuff. So, like, one thing said go in the dryer, the other thing said don't go in the dryer. The other thing's perfectly fine in the dryer, and then everything I put in the dryer that said it could go in there got absolutely destroyed in the dryer. I ruined multiple things from that Valentine's Day haul. This being one of them. I'm getting rid of this because it doesn't fit me. It fits great everywhere else, although it is a little... It didn't used to be, like, cropped, but it's almost cropped because it's, like... I feel like I look like I'm wearing a little kid's shirt when I wear this because it's so... I mean, it's almost an entire inch below my wrists. On to Christmas sweaters. So I have this one. It says Merlot Ho Ho, and the tag says it's from Norther Pole. I don't know. It has shrunk a little bit since I got it. I actually don't think that's the shirt's fault. I think I have just grown. I don't think the shirt has been through the wash enough times to shrink. I think I grew and the shirt stayed the same. It's a little tight up here in like the armpits and chest area. It's a little tight. I don't want to get rid of it because I don't have a lot of like Christmas sweaters like this, but like this part is very uncomfortably tight. I don't know. I'm probably gonna keep it. I got this at Goodwill and I really like it because it's just like a really unique Christmas sweater, but I don't know. It's not very comfortable, I'll tell you that. Like, the arms are very uncomfortable. Now we have my Barbie Christmas sweater. I got this from Forever 21, and I don't even know if I really got to wear it last year. I think I only wore it for, like, an unboxing video. I don't think I ever actually got to, like, wear this and do cute makeup with it, but, like, how cute. How cute is it? I love it. And it's so comfortably oversized. Like, it comes to, like, my fingers, the top of my palm, and it's, like, kind of baggy. But, like, you could pull it down, but, like, I would prefer to just kind of let it sit there, and it does just kind of sit like this comfortably, which I love. So, I'm definitely going to keep this one, because I love it. So, yeah. This one is from Shein. It's obviously not my size, but it was not for me. It was for my friend, but then she had already bought it for herself, so I'm not going to keep it. I did keep it for a while, and I was wearing it, but it's just way too big on me. It's not the most comfortable thing to wear because I have to roll up the sleeves a lot, and they're still big on me. The neck is obviously big on me. I love this sweater. I think it's so cute. It's not ideal for wearing. Oh, my allergies. Okay, so this one is from H&M. If you've been watching my channel for a long time, you probably recognize this sweater. I have had this sweater for so many years. I think at least like 6. And if you guys can see, it has like little pearls on it. I used to be obsessed with pearls. I used to only wear my little pearl earrings. Fake pearls, obviously. But I used to wear like my little pearl earrings. And I love the sweater. I don't know, I don't wear it that often. I'm always afraid these are going to rip off. None of them have. But they do get like a little cold. It's not like the warmest sweater, and like these little, like the metal that's on these does get a little cold, like up against my body. Like, you know, especially if I go out in the cold. So it's not like the most ideal for cold weather. And that's pretty much the only time you would wear a sweater is during cold weather. So I'm actually not sure if I should keep this. I haven't worn it in forever. But I feel like the second I get rid of it, I'm going to miss it. So I'm probably going to keep this because it's just a simple, like, gray sweater. And maybe I'll actually wear it now that I've done this video. I'm actually kind of thinking of, like, some looks I could do. And I could put my pearl earrings back in. Maybe do something, like, a little elegant. And, like, put this with, like, a cute skirt. I have, like, a black silk skirt that I'm kind of imagining with it. So I think I'm going to try and style this and wear it more. We have another Walmart find. Now, I don't know if I already admitted this on this channel. This is like from like the, what I'm gonna call like the preteen section of Walmart. It's not kids clothes, but it's not like the adults clothes. But there's some really cute, like trendy stuff in there. And I am a 25-year-old woman that bought a shirt from the like preteen tween section. It's a small and it fits me perfectly, so like means it's for me, right? I just like it. I like it a lot. I bought it when I had split dye hair, and like that combo I loved. I was obsessed with it because I had like blonde on this side and like brown on this side, and yeah, it was super cute. I am thinking about going back to split dye, but not the exact same way. But I'm gonna keep this. I love it. It fits me very comfortably. It fits pretty much exactly like the black one that I have. It's not as warm, and it has a V-neck, but it's like a little bit deeper, which I don't love about it, but I don't know, it's really cute. And I can style this so many different ways because it's pink and white, and I love both of those colors, and together it's like my aesthetic. So it's actually cream. It's pink and cream, but yeah, I love this one. And then last but not least, this one is from Shein. This one was gifted to me from my bestie. I think possibly the same time that I was going to give her the cloud sweater, but I'm not actually sure. It may not have been the same. It may not have been the same holiday. But Yeah, I like this a lot. I need to remember to wear this. That's the thing. This one made it to like the bottom of my stack, and so I kind of forgot I had it because it's just like a pastel rainbow, basically, and I love it. And it fits really nice. It's technically, I think, considered cropped, but it like cinches in and kind of sits at the waist really nicely. It fits just where I want it to fit, right at the base of my palms, and it's like a mock neck, and I really enjoy a mock neck. I have, you know, quite a few things in here that were like a mock to turtleneck, you know, sort of thing. Can you guys tell how bad my allergies are getting? Oh my gosh. My allergies are getting so bad just sitting here. I don't know what's happening outside, but like, I'm dying. Anyway, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep this one, and I need to like put it more towards the top so I'll remember to wear it. But yeah, we got rid of quite a few things here. I'm getting rid of 5 sweaters, which I only had 18 to start with. So 5 sweaters is a pretty good deal, I feel like. I feel like that's good progress. So yeah, please let me know which one of these you guys want to see next. I would like to do a skirt one soon. I wanted to do the sweater one just because like I've been wearing more sweaters lately and I've been struggling to like get through them, to like dig through them. I also need to go through my sweatshirts, so that's going to be a separate one. But if you guys like videos like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm planning on doing a whole series of these. They are going to be a little bit spread out, so that this isn't like every single video I'm posting. But I am planning to do a whole series like this where I am just going through my closet and getting rid of things, you know, making sure I try everything on except for a couple things, but making sure, you know, that I try everything on so I can know how it fits me, because there's a lot of things that I've kept thinking I'm going to wear them at some point, and then I try them on and I'm like, oh, it doesn't even actually fit me anymore. I can't wear it even if I wanted to. So if you didn't already watch my tank top one, I will link that one down below for you guys because it's fun. I went through and got rid of a lot of tank tops, and now I'm getting rid of a lot of sweaters. So I post new videos every single week, usually on Wednesdays or Thursdays, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Right in time, the battery's getting ready to die.